President William Ruto niwakulya akenya vamwe na atongoi methiwe na muikiio na nthi ya Kenya ayasya ala maikala nthi cia nza nimo methiawa maikiie Kenya mbeange ainene umbanoni we 19 wa ituwe cia nthi kivathukanio. President Ruto ne umania vanene uteti wa amwe ma atongoi ala mekwasakana nthi ya Kenya Yiendee nai aikathia muvango wa affordable housing na mivango ingi aiweta tayetete myanya ya mawia kwi amwika. Joseph Kithekani watumbanisia mauvu.
Musumbi Dr. William Ruto niwakulya Kenya vamwe na atongoi kwithwa na muikiio na nthi ya Kenya ayasya andu aingi ma nthi cia nza nimo methiawa na muikiio na nthi ya Kenya mbewa undu wa Kenya maikiie nthi yo.
We need a much more patriotic nation. Good people. We need to believe in ourselves. You know, you listen to some people, you think they have a spare country. They talk about Kenya as if this is our country. This is us. We must believe in ourselves. We can do it ourselves. You know? Sometimes I get amazed as to how people believe in us more than we believe in ourselves. Really?
Ainene a musini wa ilovyo mbanoni we 19 wa ituwe cia nthi kivathukanio wenda 19th Ambassadors Conference ni umania uneni wa amwe ma atongoi ma uteti kana nthi ya Kenya Yiendee nai aikulya ni kimekwenda kumitongwe cia kethiwa miona Yiendee nai.
Some others have even the audacity to say, oh, you know, we are a failed state. Really? Where? You know? And you want to be a leader in this country. You want to be a leader of a failed state. Anyway. So, good people. And I will tell this to the people of Kenya proudly. We are a great nation. We are a great people. We can do it. Let us believe in ourselves. Let us stop the negativity. Let us stop the negativity about our country. Let's project the reality of who we are, you know? And I think we need more about our patriotism, our belief in ourselves, our belief in our nation, and that is really going to make a hell lot of a difference.
Kavinani ka Musumbi Ruto ni wakathia muvango wa affordable housing vamwe na mitarala ingi serikalini yake ayasya mivango isu ni sauviti myanya mingi ya mauya kukilya amwika.
The most fundamental thing to me is that by next year we will have 1 million young people working in our housing program. Today in our ICT hubs, in our Jitume centers, in business process outsourcing companies that are registered here in Kenya, and there are many. In fact, the largest business process outsourcing company in the world called Teleperformer just shifted to Kenya. Our projection is that we should be able to appropriate at least 1 million young people working in our digital jobs space in the next between 1 and 2 years.
Joseph Kitheka, Vilingi wa Mauvu, Mutongoi TV.